शाहरुख को एक OCD है about the fit of a jean. Like he will judge you if you wear badly fitted jeans. क्या आप खुद के लिए शादी कर रहे हो, परिवार के लिए शादी कर रहे हो या इंस्टाग्राम के लिए शादी कर रहे हो?
Why not? They come with mood boards. One flower can't be from this color to that color.
आपको कभी कहा जाता है कि इनको गोरा बना दो?
All my brides are sweet.
Celebrity brides can't be sweet. Looking glamorous is very important.
It's very important.
अगर चौथे का भी सीन है, फ्यूनरल का भी सीन है, सबका बाल ब्लो ड्राइड होने चाहिए.
Right before her wedding, she had experimented with her sunscreen. I was burning.
Oh no.
Don't accept this disaster, please.
You can't keep getting married.
You can't keep getting married.
फाउंडेशन और उसके ऊपर डबल फाउंडेशन, ट्रिपल फाउंडेशन, फिर उसके बाद कॉन्टूरिंग. भगवान के लिए आप ऐसा ना करें.
मैं अपना टेलर हमेशा अपने साथ लेके चलती हूँ.
टेलर के साथ दोस्ती कर लो.
दोस्ती नहीं, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स.
I want to know who Urfi Javed's tailor is. Welcome back. I'm Karan Johar, your host for the Manyavar Shadi Show, a podcast where we answer all wedding-related questions that must be answered. Well, our first episode received so much love from all of you that we decided to bring you another equally important one. Today we're going to talk about good looks and good looks. अब मेरी फिल्म में I am super involved when it comes to wedding looks. Be it Kalki's Lehenga in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani or Alia's simple look in Two States. I know on your wedding day you get just one shot. And having the perfect look can be terrifying. Because let's be real, if you look in the mirror on your wedding day and don't feel amazing, nothing else matters. Not to worry though, to help us figure this all out, I've brought in a loaded panel. The people behind the looks, you screenshot and save. We have Anisha Jain, a celebrity fashion stylist with an incredible eye for blending red carpet glamour with real-world wearability. She styled A-listers like Shahid Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, Tiger Shroff, Rajkumar Rao and many, many more. So she knows exactly how to make every outfit look editorial, dramatic and yet completely you. Next up, we have social media's favorite fashion icon, the bold and fearless fashion influencer Komal Pandey, who has taught millions how to look expensive but on a budget. Finally, we have the woman who can make anyone look like they've stepped straight out of a dream. From red carpets to wedding mandaps, she knows how to ace that no makeup look. Please welcome Kajol Paswan. Yay and welcome girls. I have so many questions to ask you girls. Hair, makeup, wearability, so much of it really. Alright, now weddings are $1 billion industry. Okay, we know that. Okay, it's massive. I've realized through this Manyavar podcast what all goes into it. And I realized, oh my God, you do need counseling because so much drama and you all are privy to it all the time. So much drama that happens behind the scenes. So much goes into a wedding. It's coming together of two families, opinions, money spent, Instagram reels, like so much goes on. Now, Anisha, let me start with you. What you're wearing has become so important today because we give too much of a damn for the gram, right? Now we need to look extraordinary on that day, feel the best. Like I said in the introduction, if you don't feel good on that day, that particular day, nothing else matters. Let's start with like how far back should the groom and bride and the families go before like anything else begins? Should this be the priority? Should they come to you first?
I feel like anywhere between 3 to 4 months is a sweet spot. I think for brides especially 4 months because any designer would take close to 2 months to customize.
Unless you want
things.
Anuradha Vakil who takes 6 to 8 months
Correct.
or if not a year.
Correct. But I also feel like I'm saying 3 to 4 months because any bride or groom that I have styled wants to lose weight, wants to get in the best shape. So, I think 3 to 4 months really helps in that sense. 3 months for grooms and 4 months for brides, I think is a good spot.
Komal, I said in my introduction that, you actually look so hot. I've seen your reels. I did my homework. You look hot and sexy. Yes, I totally have. And I know that your husband also.
I'm going to make a reel out of this.
Yeah,
this,
and
what
I
you just said right
I
now.
also know you and your husband, you've also included him in your reels. and which I love. Like, I love that you all are both like sashing away in your
my
wedding
boyfriend
looks.
though right now.
Who is
But
your
yeah, we're
boyfriend?
practically husband-wife because we live
Who is your
together.
boyfriend?
Yeah, he's my
तो कर
boyfriend.
लो शादी.
कर
अभी
लेंगे.
मान्यवर शादी शो पॉडकास्ट पे आ ही गए हो तो कर लो शादी.
Maybe after this show, we might
Maybe
get
after the show,
inspired.
then maybe
Yeah.
I'll take some credit for
I'm
it.
very inspired by all Dharma movies for sure. So that really inspires me to get married because like
Yeah.
all your movies have created this whole like you've shaped the wedding aesthetics in our country
And देखो the irony.
and the wedding aesthetics in my reels.
Really? But what attracted you to doing this? Was it the fact that ये market इतना बड़ा है,
हाँ.
शादी का market इतना बड़ा है,
हाँ.
और दूल्हा दुल्हन का जो जोन है,
Correct.
वो सब कहीं ना कहीं अपने सपनों में वो होना चाहते हैं, और जब होना चाहते हैं तो they will look at these reference reels and say, and I love that you add that hot twist to every bride. So I think
Thank
what drew you towards these reels in this wedding shadi zone?
Just beautiful Indian wear, Karan.
Yeah.
And honestly, can I be honest?
Yeah.
A lot of it has to do with my obsession with Bollywood.
Yeah.
Because I've grown up watching all your movies and
Yes.
several other movies,
Yes.
and the whole universe that Bollywood has created, which
Yeah.
has so much to do with looking good, looking glamorous. And you know how in our country people worship Bollywood and cricket,
Yeah.
right?
Looking glamorous is very important.
It's very important.
I'm like, अगर चौथे का भी सीन है,
Correct. Yeah.
फ्यूनरल का भी सीन है, सबका बाल ब्लो
हाँ.
ड्राइड होने चाहिए.
हाँ.
I'm like, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई उजड़े हुए मैंने ऐसी पिक्चर ऐसी नहीं बनाई है. I feel like you must come looking pretty at all times.
Exactly. I agree. Also, aspiration to look good will always remain. It will never die in a person, no matter how old you are. You could be a child, a teenager, someone middle-aged, someone in their 60s, 70s, 80s. You always want to look good.
Yeah.
No matter how holier than thou one may act about, ki, oh, I don't
Vanity
care.
बहुत बड़ा
Vanity
हिस्सा है,
is very
बहुत बड़ा
important.
हिस्सा है.
Correct. And honestly, like, it's peak season, like wedding season is peak content creation time for me.
For you.
I also make the
ये
most
आपका
money.
ये आपका सबसे
Yes,
ज्यादा
this
lucrative
is
time है अभी.
I mean, look at where I am
Yeah.
right now. I'm like literally sitting in front of you. This couldn't have happened in any other season right
Yeah.
now, but wedding season. So this is the time I really peak as a content creator, the
Okay,
most in every way.
And I like कि आप एक सेक्स अपील का ट्विस्ट डाल देती हैं अपने कपड़ों में. आप जो ये सेक्सीनेस ले आती हैं
हाँ
आपके रील्स में,
Correct.
एक्चुअली मोर पावर टू यू, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स टेलिंग अ ब्राइड कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ट्रेडिशनल नहीं हो या
Yes.
कल्चरली इंक्लाइन
Yes.
नहीं हो,
Yes.
लेकिन आप अगर अपनी तरफ से हॉट लगना चाहती हो तो व्हाई नॉट? Why conform to tradition? I mean, conform to tradition, but why follow any rule book?
I agree. I also feel like Karan, as a bride, I also understand their pressure because you're constantly
Because परिवार भी आ जाता है.
yeah, you're
वहाँ.
constantly walking that tightrope between tradition and also like going for your freedom. So, of course, I mean, you have to choose your battles, and if you feel like you don't want to choose that battle,
Right.
then I also don't judge someone trying to find an intersection point between their family and themselves.
Yeah.
For example, the low neckline, if the family is against it and you kind of don't want to rebel,
Yeah.
against the old, then don't do it. Maybe just experiment with your hair and makeup, maybe do a more contemporary drape. There are ways of doing it.
Of feeling hot and
Yes,
sexy.
of feeling
it's
hot.
not all about
yes,
the
yes,
neckline.
yes.
Kajol, makeup is such an integral part of the full look. Like, I believe makeup and hair can actually make or break an outfit. I feel कि जब बाल अगर आपके खराब हो और मेकअप आपका डल हो तो जितनी भी खूबसूरत आउटफिट आपने पहन लिया है वो कोलैप्स हो जाता है. For me, like, I've worked with the maestro Mickey Contractor in most of my films, actually every film I've directed, and मैंने देखा है कि ये वाकई आर्ट फॉर्म है. लेकिन आजकल जब मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे देखता हूँ about makeup artists going viral and slapping it on, like literally वो चेहरा ही बदल देते हैं. वो like एक होता है पेंट करना चेहरा, एक होता है एक क्रिएट करना
Yeah,
एक
yeah.
और चेहरा. Like literally I feel like क्रिएट कर रहे हैं एक और चेहरा, and I feel वो वायरल हो जाते हैं वो रील्स. Like literally वो लड़की आ जाती है बैठ के, she's another skin tone, she will look like a
Yeah.
totally different skin tone. So I'm like, what is your, like, you go by the bride but you also try to bring in your own aesthetic?
Absolutely. So, Karan, firstly, I try to meet my bride and what's her personality. I don't just follow, like, Instagram.
तो पहले
trends.
आप मिलना चाहती है.
Yes, if she's from abroad, I try to do a Zoom call or Google Meet, and I try to understand her personality. And I believe in makeup is 70% skincare. If your skin is looking
Yeah,
healthy,
agreed.
the
Correct.
makeup
Agreed.
should be.
Yeah.
It has to look absolutely flawless.
Yeah.
Aapka skin tone. I do understand that going 1-2 shades lighter because, of course, it's not a casual outfit you're wearing. You're wearing such a heavy outfit. Your jewelry has to be blended. Your hairstyle needs to be blended. Everything needs to be blended. But everything adds a character.
Yeah.
And I totally believe that subtle makeup, timeless makeup looks absolutely amazing, and everything has to be, and the kind of weather condition we are in.
तो मेकअप में बहुत चीजों को आई थिंक मद्देनजर रखना है. एक तो लोकेशन क्या है,
Yes.
you know, most
totally.
important, and that also applies to the
Applies to
costume,
costume.
you know.
Yes.
Like lot of people have winter weddings,
Yeah.
people have monsoon weddings, people have summer weddings.
Yeah.
So summer wedding mein obviously you have to drape appropriately and you have to like costume appropriately. Also makeup has to look that certain way, and you know sweat is something we have no control over,
have
right?
no control.
It can make or break. So you know, I'm sure you have to, you know, coat in your sunblock and like so much you have to look into, right?
A bridal makeup artist has been like, she has done thorough research. Every product we cannot experiment. We have to use like 100 times on us before experimenting on the bride.
Yeah, yeah. And do you find ऐसा होता है कभी with you, Kajol, कि आपने makeup कर लिया है and the bride is just, you can tell, visually unhappy because you've made her look a certain way according to your aesthetic and she's imagined some OTT aesthetic.
Honestly, Karan, my brides love, because thanks to Instagram, they see the
They know
work.
what they're looking.
They know what they are coming for, and you know, we already do so much of mood boarding, so much of discussion. The vision is clear. Every little minute detail, right from what they are wearing, the eyeshadow, what pigments are going in, what lipstick shade, how the blush has to be, how the contour has to be.
और ऐसे आपके साथ हुआ है कि you stare at the outfit and it's hideous and you're like अभी मुझे एकदम neat, clean, pure makeup करना है because I can't do
Yes.
wilder makeup because outfit is just not it.
Initial days of my career, yes, but right now I do tell my brides, please get a bridal stylist because that plays a very important pivotal role.
A bridal stylist.
Absolutely.
So
Why-
that would be, Anisha, what so you also get into hair and makeup also,
100%.
like it's part of the whole look.
100%.
तो mood board में ये सारे
Correct,
चीजें
correct.
cover हो जाती हैं.
100%. You have to talk to the person who's doing the hair and makeup, you know, and ask them. And also, obviously, where you're doing the wedding, all of that is taken into account. You know, you don't miss any of that.
I have one question that I've always found kind of, I mean, personally, I think it's a bit silly, but like people do it a lot, is twinning. ये जो है ना मैच करो, you know, कि अगर उसने पिंक लहंगा पहना है तो वो पिंक शेरवानी पहन के आ जाएंगे. ये बाबी कैन का जो होता है, ये कॉम्बिनेशन जो है, what is your thought on this color coding?
I personally don't like matching, but if अगर वो coordinated है, तो I think
Coordination बहुत जरूरी है.
coordination, complementing one another, you know, being in the same family of colors, I feel like that is really important because it is for the gram. Pictures lenge, so you know it just looks well put together. It comes across
Yeah.
really well. So I think that, but twinning is just something that I personally don't like to do.
You mentioned the gram. Komal,
Yes.
I mean, I know this is really what you do. So the gram has given you like so much of your personality and identity. And it's amazing what I see. What I think the pandemic in many ways actually propagated the gram to another
Agreed,
level
yeah.
altogether.
Yeah,
Took it to
yeah.
enhance the possibilities
yeah.
on the gram to another level. But do you think this obsession is healthy? After a point, क्योंकि I feel sometimes कि आप खुद के लिए शादी कर रहे हो,
Yeah,
परिवार के लिए शादी कर रहे हो या Instagram के लिए
Instagram.
शादी कर रहे हो. You कारण क्या है जो आप इतने obsessed हो जाते हो कि always comparing, oh she look like this, I
हाँ,
want to look like
हाँ.
this. आपको भी references देखने होंगे, like
Yeah,
people are
yeah,
following
yeah,
you, but they
yeah.
want to emulate you.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
all a lot of
yeah.
pagalpan
Yeah,
that goes
yeah.
into it.
I think, of course, all of it stems from a lot of like validation. Everyone loves validation. Everyone craves for validation. And I do agree that there's a thin line and it can become obsession. Or जब वो obsession बन जाता है, that's when you have to really tell yourself that boss, like this is going a little crazy. As far as someone's wedding is concerned and like documenting that wedding on Instagram is concerned, I feel like it's also it's supposed to be the happiest day of your life, right? So you also want to document it. So it's really your mindset that matters. So if you want to document the hell out of it because it's the most beautiful day of your life, if that's your mindset, if that's your thought process, more power to you. Go do
करना है
it.
तो be
To
yourself.
hell
Be
with the world.
be
Yeah.
authentic to
Yes,
yourself.
be authentic. Basically, yeah, it's
Yeah.
authenticity. But if you're doing it for the likes to get viral, then honestly, like it's not going to last also for long. You know, you might gain like 20K, 50,000 followers, but what after that? Where is the stickiness in your content?
You can't keep getting
You
married.
can't keep getting married, right? So that can't be a whole and sole reason of getting married. So yes, it's unhealthy, but I also feel like it's cute if you want to just go all out, document it just for the sake of it, because this is the golden day of your entire life.
Yeah.
Hopefully this will be the only time you may get married. Why not?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, but even if you get married like 5 more, 10 more times, document it.
Anisha, specifically to you, groom styling जो है कितना important होता है, and do you have any tips for groom styling?
I actually feel like it's very important in today's day and age. I personally, also in my personal experience, I feel like men in general like tend to take it really, really easy. They'll probably just go to one shop and get everything from there. But to just be well groomed, well turned out at your wedding, I think is just basic hygiene.
Yeah.
So I think it's very, very, very important.
And कोई tips देना चाहेंगे आप?
Cuts and the fit of your pants, the length of your pants, just basic, even if you're going for something classic, just basic cuts and fits. And then if you are willing to experiment and stuff, play with accessories, play with, cool sunglasses for your sundowners or jewelry, good shoes.
Yeah.
The basic
The
things that
basic
men need
things.
to take
Yeah,
care of.
Yeah. And Kajol, a question for you. Is groom makeup still a taboo? Or are grooms embracing makeup today because they are facing the lights and cameras?
I don't know why even it's a taboo. People say it as a taboo. I've been doing makeup since the start. Like, it's been 10 years, like, when I started my career, grooms have been getting the makeup done. So I think right now it's trending, but definitely it's not a taboo. It has to be like, it has to be normalized. Like,
Yeah.
The way brides require makeup, every groom has to look good. Imagine the pictures they're looking at and they are embracing after 10 years. So makeup is mandate.
Yeah, wow. And Komal, if I had to ask you hairstyles, like I
Yes.
love what you've done with your hair today.
Thank
What was
you.
your recommendation about hairstyles versus outfits? Because you keep making these beautiful reels.
Yeah.
So like sometimes, like everyone suggests कि आपको hair बंद करना चाहिए because it's just practical at a wedding.
Correct.
Otherwise,
हाँ,
it
हाँ,
gets
हाँ.
humid and
हाँ.
hair starts going
Yeah.
all like in controlled environment.
Yeah.
But शादी is not a controlled environment. So hair के बारे में आप क्या advice देना चाहिए?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हेयर एंड मेकअप आपका रियल ज्वेलरी होता है आपके आउटफिट का, फिर बाद में ये सब आता है, तो डेफिनेटली बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. और हेयर के लिए मैं ये बोलूंगी दैट यू especially on your wedding day, I feel like you should do what you are most comfortable and confident in, and most brides, trust me, they know internally कि उन पे क्या अच्छा लगता है क्या नहीं लगता है. वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के चक्कर में कई बार they to just stand out, वो कुछ different कर लेते हैं, and then they just end up not being too happy about it. So honestly, depending upon your face shape, weather conditions, what makes you feel most confident from within, go for that.
Since you promised us at the top कि आपकी शादी अभी होने वाली है.
नहीं, मैं
So I'm just saying कि what would you want, hypothetically, what would you want Sid to wear on your big day?
wow, like वो तो बहुत maximalistic होगा. वो like he's going to be supremely maximalist, and I think both of us know that we want to do like richer tones. And actually, Karan, I can't tell.
Can
वो
I-
कुछ
can
भी
I
पहन
take that?
सकता है. Can you tell?
I
Because
feel
you
like
and Sid are
knowing
friends.
Sid, because I know
Yeah.
him, he's a friend. I think he'd do like a nice anarkali or
You
an
said it.
amrakha.
You said
I feel
it.
like
Yeah.
that's what he would do.
That'll be
How
his
lovely
wife.
though.
Yeah.
I
That'll be
love
his
the
wife.
structure.
He's
of it.
really
He
is
loves
like he's
it.
experimenting and he's having
Fully,
fun. He's having
fully.
fun with his clothes.
I love men who do that.
Yeah.
And
If he doesn't experiment, he's like anxious. He's not confident when he doesn't experiment. When he experiments, that's when his confidence really shines. And I'm the ulta. I like experimenting, but I'm more of also a classic. Which is why I think like balance हो जाता है हम दोनों का.
माइंडसेट की बात हमने की. कोमल, माइंडसेट जब मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा काजोल कि what bothers me always is मुझे लगता है कि this obsession with fair skin in our country have had, and there have been so many campaigns speaking out about it, and those products that actually promote, show fairness to be a virtue, ridiculous. Like I would never ever want to be part of a campaign like that. इनको गोरा लगना चाहिए शादी के दिन. And I feel like there's such beauty in even dusky skin. There's gorgeousness. Like the color can be sexy and sultry and beautiful.
Yeah,
लेकिन
it's
ऐसे
stunning.
आपको कभी like bride के जो parents हैं या कभी bride herself, कभी आपको ये कहा गया, and what is your reaction when you hear?
Honestly, like 10 years back used to, but now the brides are themselves very educated. Unko already pata hai, they say, Kajol, we want to look ourselves. They have done well research. बहुत Instagram में बहुत अच्छे से research सब जगह से. They want to look themselves. Few of the family members, they come and say कि थोड़ा सा गोरा बना दो.
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा fair लगना चाहिए.
तो आप किस तरह handle करती हैं situation?
So of course it's client, right? I have to listen to them, but we don't go like crazy, like 2-3 shades lighter. 1 shade lighter is okay because of course it's an Indian outfit. इतना सजना धजना होता है, ज्वेलरी इतनी हैवी होती है, तो everything gets blended. But back in the days, yes. But right now, brides are they want.
आप कह रही हैं कि आज जो ब्राइड्स हो चुकी हैं, दे हैव अ वॉइस ऑफ देयर ओन,
Yes.
उनकी अपनी राय है, ओपिनियन है, और वो एज नेचुरल टू देमसेल्व्स लगना चाहती हैं.
They want to look themselves.
Yeah, but they also want to look a beautiful version of it.
Beautiful version, and they say that Kajol, please just amplify just beautify our features, like, you know.
Yeah.
And I don't want heavy cakey makeup. I want, like, I love the way you.
तो आपने देखे ये इंस्टाग्राम रील्स जहाँ वो इन्होंने इतना,
Oh my God.
there are 2-3 of them, like I can't mention names, लेकिन मैं इतना एक ऐसा पल आया था मेरे फोन के एल्गोरिथम में कि क्योंकि मैंने 2-3 लोगों का रील देख लिया था, तो फोन हियर्स यू,
Correct.
तो एल्गो में आ गया था, तो suddenly I was barraged with so many makeup influencers, और वो जो पता नहीं करती क्या है, वो कर क्या रही है with the makeup.
Going.
I feel कि उन्होंने पूरा like डब्बा डाल दिया है चेहरे पर,
Oh God, yeah. Ask me about it.
फाउंडेशन, और उसके ऊपर डबल फाउंडेशन, ट्रिपल फाउंडेशन, फिर उसके बाद कॉन्टूरिंग भी कर करके भी नहीं, उन्होंने फेस को कुछ और ही बना दिया है. आपने वो वीडियोस देखी हैं?
Yeah, 100%.
तो मैं सबसे
yes.
कहना चाहूंगा कि भगवान के लिए आप ऐसा ना करें, ऐसा ना लगे. आप किसको आप बोल रही है, किससे आप, क्योंकि कल जब आपको 1.5 घंटे या 2 घंटा लग जाएगा वो मेकअप उतारने में, वाकई what सुहाग रात will happen after that, I don't know. कितना वक्त लगेगा ये मेकअप उतारने में, and let me tell you, no makeup remover can remove that makeup.
Oh,
You have to have 8 baths, I
Oh,
feel,
yes.
to scrub it off. क्योंकि वो कुछ और ही चेहरा बन जाता है. And I feel कि या क्या ही हो रहा है आजकल, you know, ये मेकअप की दुनिया में. While I appreciate कितना power, I believe in beauty, I believe in makeup, I believe in Instagram's power, I believe in the power of fashion and clothing. I believe these are all individually billion-dollar industries. लेकिन एक किस्म की authenticity और organicness भी बहुत जरूरी है.
100%.
अच्छा, आपने brides का जिक्र किया, that politely सबने पूछा, but we also have a term called bridezilla. While men are not given the distinction of any term, while I'm sure there are male bridezillas as well who go batshit crazy about their opinion, लेकिन ये bridezilla जो word है, where have you dealt with one? Have you dealt with like a
Well, I
bridezilla?
feel like yes, because women, I think, जब से वो छोटे हैं, खाली इसी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, right?
उनका सपना है बचपन.
Correct. So they come with mood boards. One flower can't be from this color to that color. Outfit color has to be that shade of red only. So these kind of things you experience on like when you're styling a bride.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, you have, and you have to politely deal with it, I say.
Yeah, because now it's their most important day, you know. So you have to cater to those kind of things. Handle it with kid gloves, you know.
Bridezilla encounters anyone? Yeah, would you be one, Komal?
I am very likely to be one, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ब्राइडजिला बनने का कारण बहुत बार होता है कि जब आपके पास एक राइट सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं होता है, तो आप बन जाते हो ब्राइडजिला. I feel this is where I come
try
from.
to disagree because I feel like अगर आपके पास support system भी है, some people just they don't want to let go of that control.
But I also feel like it comes from a place of like, I know that I would be a lot calmer, less anxious if I have the right support system in a bridal stylist,
Right.
in a makeup artist, someone I really, really trust. A lot of people don't have that access right now. The masses don't have the access.
एक्चुअली मैं मासेस का जिक्र जो आपने किया है कोमल, मैं उस पर एक पॉइंट पूछना चाहूंगा अबाउट बजट्स.
Correct.
क्या हो जाता है कि सबके पास वो बजट्स तो नहीं होते टू अफोर्ड अ काजोल, टू अफोर्ड एन अनीशा, यू नो, दे डोंट हैव दैट राइट काइंड ऑफ बजट. सो लाइक इफ आई टू आस्क यू काजोल, what is like the hack that you would give like to someone who can't come to you, can't pay you, but wants to look beautiful? Like, of course, there are makeup artists, but not everyone in a certain strata will be aesthetic. And तो वो bride क्या करे कि उसके सपने बड़े हैं लेकिन budget कम है.
Firstly, investing in the right skincare. Skin अगर अच्छी होगी
हाँ.
तो आप पे कोई भी मेकअप अच्छा लगेगा ही. The next is they have to do referencing. उनको क्या आउटफिट में क्या मेकअप चाहिए, कैसा मेकअप चाहिए, what kind of makeup, what's their personality. They have to go with the exact mood boarding to the makeup artist कि मुझे यही मेकअप चाहिए. अगर उनके पास कोई इंस्पिरेशन है, कोई अगर अच्छे मेकअप, if they like any particular makeup artist, they can show that references. So a makeup artist can of course recreate those looks.
Watch Komal's reels, and there's so much DIY there. You know, I get like आप जिस तरह आप put together करती हैं, तो I mean, you must be helping so many brides out.
I mean, I guess I'd like to think so, but I feel like there are a lot of budget-friendly ways of doing it. You know, becoming the it bride हो सकता है. सबसे पहला मैं जो सबको बोलती हूँ, instead of investing in a very expensive designer who you cannot afford, invest in a fantastic tailor and become best friends with him.
टेलर के साथ दोस्ती कर लो आप।
Yeah, and best दोस्ती नहीं, best friends बनना है, you know, because when your outfit fits you well, even if it's not that expensive, but if it fits you well, if it moves beautifully on your body, you're going to look fantastic.
आपका टेलर आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है?
करण, like वो तो मतलब मैं उसको like राखी बांधती हूँ.
Wow, how lovely.
But yeah, like उसके, and you know, whenever I come to him, he has this expression कि ओ आ गई, पक्का कुछ अतरंगी कराएगी, पक्का कुछ DIY कुछ बोलेगी, ये कर दो, यहाँ से ये छोटा कर दो.
I want to know who Urfi Javed's tailor is.
Oh, yeah.
उसको रात को नींद आती है या नहीं आती?
खुद बनाती है, पता है?
वो खुद बनाती है?
बनाती है,
as a tailor, but she gets into it. वो खुद बनाती है, उनके
But must be
ideas
कोई
को
तो
दूसरे-
execute करता होगा ना, खुद
too
आती है।
talented dude.
पर वो खुद भी I've
खुद भी
seen
करती
some
है,
reels
yeah,
where she's
yeah.
actually cutting and like sewing it herself.
Yeah, yeah.
But Anisha, again, ये same सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा that what does one do if I can't afford Anisha? I can't afford Anaita, I can't afford Priyanka Kapadia, they're top stylists, I can't afford them, but I want to look beautiful and I want to yet be coordinated and stunning. मैं क्या
Yes.
करूँ?
I actually do feel like Manyavar in that sense is a one-stop shop.
Yeah.
It has
Yeah.
everything.
That's
for grooms, for the family, for every
And also
function,
affordable.
and for yeah,
Affordable.
but also for various kinds of like budgets.
Yeah.
Right. If you want to go really like OTT, they have that. They have
The mid-budget.
yeah, they have mid budgets, low budgets, anything. So I feel like Manyavar in that sense becomes a one-stop shop for all functions.
And like, look at the three of you. You're all in Mohib.
Yes.
And like, I'm like
Yeah.
all glamorous, glittering,
Yeah.
shining, and
Yeah.
yet so aesthetic and
Yeah.
beautifully
Yes.
done.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
beautiful. So
Yes.
actually, what a lovely answer. I'm sure everyone at the Manyavar family will be very happy to hear कि आपने कहा कि अगर आप के resources शायद कम हो तो हर range के कपड़े आपको यहाँ मिल
Correct.
सकते हैं.
हाँ.
And that's a hack. That's a good hack.
And can I add also that Manyavar is also doing the classics, but they are also doing the trendy stuff. So it caters to all kinds of grooms and brides.
Yeah.
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 Mohi
Yeah.
for the brides and
Yeah, Mohe for the brides. Yeah. Now, where we get involved, आजकल बहुत ज़रूरी है फैशन फोटोग्राफी, वीडियोग्राफी, ये सब इतना ज़रूरी हो गया है रील आर्काइविंग में. तो have you all encountered situations where you've actually had to deal with a videographer, photographer who come and give you their brief before doing? Because एक तो आपको दुल्हन की बात सुननी है, फैमिली की बात सुननी है, फिर भी एक वीडियोग्राफर भी आ गया, फोटोग्राफर भी आ गया. Is it all a community decision?
They come in the frame and they're like, Kajol, just do this. I tell them before 15 minutes prior you should enter. I give them the timeline because it's so disturbing, right? Imagine the bride is stressed out and usme aap makeup kar rahe ho, usme 10 cheez ho rahi hai, the bride is, so that's the reason the timelining is very important. I think having a proper structure, like how much time the hair will take, how much time the makeup will take, because content creation is also such a big part.
Yeah, also because अब जैसे आप कपड़े आपने दिए हैं, उसमें mirrors हैं. So now that can either photograph beautifully or can be a
Yeah.
mess.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
so you have to keep that in mind. A lot of times I've heard कि brides ने कहा भैया आप mirror work की बहुत mirrors मत डालिएगा
Yeah.
because what happens is
Yeah.
that it just becomes about that reflection and it doesn't photograph very well.
Yeah.
ऐसे colors हैं or rather any textures and fabrics you think that photograph the best?
I think your traditional red always photographs beautifully.
Yeah.
I feel like that.
Oh,
about-
I think there's nothing prettier than a red bride.
really. It is just such a good.
And it's become new today.
Yeah.
Because everyone's experimenting.
Yeah.
तो अभी
As
वो
it
लोग
is,
भूल
take
गए
a
हैं
sabbatical
कि लोग
now.
भूल गए कि दुल्हन का
Yeah.
जो रंग है
Yeah.
वो लाल है.
Correct.
Yeah.
इश्क का रंग लाल है,
Correct.
दुल्हन का रंग लाल है.
Correct. Nothing really genuinely nothing like a good red. But I do feel like pastels for men, shying away from the white, I feel like it's doing really well. Like I started Pulkit for his wedding and he was wearing like a sage green angrakha and I think that was really nice.
It was
Oh,
beautiful.
that's
I know
great. It
what
was
you're
a
talking
beautiful
about.
Priti
Yeah,
and
It was
Pulkit look
beautiful. It was
gorgeous.
beautiful.
They
So
look,
I
and they
think-
look very
yeah.
beautifully coordinated.
Correct.
Yes, yes.
Correct. And the colors were really complementing. Kriti was in a pink, he was in a sage green.
When I've seen like a very traditional bride also, that also warms my heart. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हमारा जो traditions है, हमारा जो culture है, and don't you love that makeup में, Kajol, you have to do the ethnic Indian traditional makeup,
That's
with the
my favorite.
eyes. And I love, eventually after the wedding at the reception, I love the sindoor that comes on. I just love it all. It's just
Beautiful.
gorgeous.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's gorgeous.
You know?
That's time.
You know, and I like the sindoor, which is the powdered rather than the whatever. You know, I don't know what you use, but like it depends on the bride. I suppose.
Like in bridal makeup, we don't do it. That's
No,
the
no, no,
later.
of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but I'm saying that you've done reception makeup as well, post reception. Shadi.
Because we don't have the chance to. So already sindoor लगा ही होता है, हमें बस थोड़ा सा उसको fix करना है.
Enhance करना
Enhance
होता
करना.
है.
हाँ,
Got
yeah.
it,
Now,
got it.
wedding disasters.
Oh.
We've all
Oh,
had them.
yes.
Okay, let's talk about wedding disasters. Anisha, let's start with you. When something planned, organized, 3 महीने, 6 महीने की preparation और फिर उस दिन पे, what is the one circumstance, situation or event you remember? We don't have to hear names. जहाँ सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया.
Just before this groom I was styling, वो अपने रिसेप्शन के लिए जा रहे थे, उनकी पैंट फट गई.
Oh my
पैंट ही
God.
फट गई थी उनकी.
That I know.
but-
It was Pulkit.
Yeah, correct.
I know.
How do you know?
I know everything.
Wow,
तो फिर?
correct. पैंट फट गई, बैकअप था.
हाँ.
But apparently, backup आपकी वजह से था because you had thought in your head ये हो जाएगा. वो rehearsal कर रहे थे और उनकी पैंट फट गई थी. ये मुझे पता है.
So we decided we'll do our first dance and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and suddenly I hear this loud sound going trrrr, and Pulkit's pants had just torn. And I burst out laughing. I go running outside. I reach out to a stylist. I'm like, Anisha, uski pant phat gayi. She's like, I don't know why I had a feeling this would happen. I have a backup.
I like to keep backup, especially for like pants and things like that, you know, because you're dancing in it, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है.
I mean, लहंगे
you
में
should.
तो backup नहीं हो
Correct.
सकता.
लहंगे में नहीं कर सकते आप, but like pants is,
हाँ,
pants is.
agreed.
तो आपके पास तो क्या हुआ था? उसकी पैंट फट गई थी और वाकई फटी गई थी.
सच्ची में फट गई.
और फिर आपके पास वो पैंट इमीडिएटली.
मैं क्योंकि बैकअप था एंड मैं अपना टेलर हमेशा अपने साथ लेके चलती हूँ, तो वो
that's
भी
a
थे.
hack. टेलर होना चाहिए.
Tailor,
साथ में. जैसे
dressman.
जैसे कोमल ने कहा बेस्ट फ्रेंड आपका.
टेलर
कौन है?
ड्रेस टीम हैव टू बी देयर. सो मेरे साथ मेरे टेलर भी थे, तो अगर उसको भी फिक्स करना होता मैं वो भी कर देती, बट मेरे पास पैंट था.
हाँ. All right. और कोमल, have you heard of a wedding disaster?
Around me, no, not so much.
रील
but
में रील
recent-
बनाते बनाते तो कोई डिजास्टर नहीं हुआ ना.
I mean, वो तो
वो
रियल
आप
टाइम में
change भी
होता है,
कर
वो तो मैं
सकते हो.
कट कर लेती हूँ. बट
हाँ.
रील में भी बहुत बार डिजास्टर्स हुए हैं. लुक्स जो मैं बाद में जब देखती हूँ मुझे रियलाइज होता है व्हाट वाज आई थिंकिंग, दिस इज नॉट इवन वर्किंग. अ लॉट ऑफ DIYs कैन गो रॉन्ग.
Yeah.
तो हुआ है. बट रिसेंटली माई ब्रदर गॉट मैरिड एंड तो देयर आउटफिट्स क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंजी ऑन द इंटरनेट.
क्यों क्या हो
Yeah.
गया?
So basically, my sister-in-law Shubhangi, she wore a gorgeous like sabya lehenga, but it was unconventional. You know, the newer collection,
Correct.
basically like little to no work. बिल्कुल काम
हाँ,
नहीं था.
हाँ.
Blouse was also almost like a bralette.
Yeah.
You know, and she looked stunning. But obviously, audiences were like, "What is this? This is not our tradition. What have you done? What is she wearing?" And my brother wore a very, very, very dark navy sherwani, which almost looked like a black in a lot of photos and on social media. I wouldn't lie. तो उस पे भी लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम
कि
हुई
काला पहन
कि
के-
ये काला पहन के आप कैसे आ गए हो वेडिंग में.
It's fine. And move on and सब भूल के आगे
हाँ.
निकल भी गए.
एग्जैक्टली. सो
Yeah,
ये
and I feel
डिजास्टर.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है क्या?
Exact.
You know, that is what it
Exact.
is. I've dealt with my life like that, so I don't react to all this internet trolling and all.
Correct.
Wedding disasters. Have you had any?
Yes, very recent. So my bride, she was from Dubai, and right before her wedding, she had experimented with her sunscreen.
Oh no.
And legit, she was such a beautiful bride. Here, the skin turned out like how vitiligo skin happens. That's how the skin. And it was burning, and the wedding was happening in Udaipur. So after doing, of course, I concealed it and everything. But vitiligo skin and normal skin is so different. I had to. Entire skin is flawless, and I have to give coverage. And it was in hot Udaipur outdoor functions, except the Sangeet. Sare functions bahar the.
बाहर थे.
Karan, legit, I had to be there. I have tried all the brands foundation, like mixed and match, and it lasted. It
Oh, wow.
lasted.
That's
But
amazing.
I pulled it off, but I had to. Usually, हम brides को जाके touch up नहीं करते. But I was around her. I was like, because it was such hot weather.
What thing, बिचारी? But
Yeah,
you
and it
must
was
have been-
burning. It was burning. Her face was entire had red marks.
Oh no.
Sorry.
और कभी-कभी ये भी हो जाता है ना, you suddenly have an acne burst right before. You know, luckily makeup can cover.
That we can cover. That we are magician.
That you are. I remember I shot a film with an actor who literally had a pollen allergy.
Oh.
And we were shooting in New York, and she just burst out.
Oh
and
my
we were shooting a romantic song, and it was so sad because it was like, we had to then, as much as Mickey tried, it was difficult because, camera catches everything.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Today also, like, if for photographs you can do touch-ups and all, but when it's a full acne burst, it's on camera with our lenses, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Okay, talking trends. Anisha, what are the trends for 25, 26? Trends, color palettes, fashion trends in wedding looks.
I'll start with the grooms. I think they are really experimenting with shorter sherwani, like crop jackets and stuff like that, which I think is really cool. So classic tailoring, but contemporary cuts. And for the brides, I've seen like some of them are now doing the detachable skirts. So they come,
Oh,
they do
so
their
cool.
pictures,
Yeah,
they do
so
like they make
cool.
the entry, and suddenly the skirts off, and then they're just having fun. And same with the heels, even they become.
But I've always told many brides I've given this, I say sneakers पहन लो दिखेंगे नहीं.
No, correct, but like
But not मंडप पे, but like अन्य
Because
उसके बाद.
sometimes
You know,
also
but
on the
sometimes,
height,
like,
na,
yeah.
इसीलिए,
Yeah.
हाँ.
पर sneaker में भी मिल जाते हैं.
That's true. That is true, yeah.
But eventually now, like, heels also start hurting your feet, and when you want to dance and all, they become foldable. You can like fold the heel inside. So I think that's
I've
a really
seen
cool
that, very
trend
cool.
also.
I agree.
I
the
really, really
folding
like that.
heel is a
It's
cool
very
trend.
So functional.
Very, very.
Yeah.
very
Actually, the more than a
It's-
trend is just practicality.
But the fact that people are doing it now, I thought that was amazing.
Okay, and colors? Any color that you think is
I
the-
feel like I know you said pastel should retire, but they are not going anywhere. Lilacs, sage greens, pastel shades are here to stay. I feel like people are really, really having fun with that at
Alright,
the moment.
alright.
Yeah.
Okay, trends, Komal.
I'd like to say that heirlooms are so cool. And recently, I feel like more and more brides have started incorporating like their mom's shadi ki sari
Yeah.
or like their dadi's, nani's jewelry. And I think it's so cool when you
It's
mix it
really
up with
beautiful.
because it's so emotion evoking.
Yeah.
Then because it's evoking an emotion inside you, वो all the more visually appealing हो जाता है. So I think that's really cool.
Correct. Like
Then,
repurposing it and making
yes,
it something.
repurposing, re-wearing. I think
Yeah.
that's really
Yeah.
cool. Then, as much as I agree with you that pastels are beautiful and they're here to stay, but I genuinely feel like now it's time that reds, blues, mustards, or even like dustier tones. Like Alia wore this gorgeous orange lehenga in Rocky or Rani, which was so refreshing. I was honestly very surprised.
I love burnt orange.
It was so beautiful.
My longest collaboration has been with Manish Malhotra, and working with him has always been amazing. We've also thrown clothes at each other in anger when we've had fights. But overall, our association has been really quite wonderful over a span of, since Dilwale, I was in AD, so we go back 30 years.
Also, all of Deepika's looks in Padmavat was beautiful. So I just feel like it's time that we start owning our
rich.
Yeah, like we're rich, we're regal. And of course, pastels are beautiful. But for some time, I think अब थोड़ा उनको backseat दे सकते हैं. We can allow like
Let color
golds,
find its
yeah,
way.
थोड़े time के लिए, then they can वापस come in the backseat.
Kajol, makeup trends, what is it? For the longest time, I've heard, big eyes, nude lips. Like, is there anything new making the rounds?
Definitely soft glam look. Like, now, like back in the days, people used to use like matte base, but now people want natural, dewy base. Also, like shimmer eyeliners, like a colorful eyeliner. These are the trends are happening. People are experimenting with rhinestones for their after party, for their sangeet. It's really, really cool. It just adds that character to that personality, and it's beautiful.
So this is the Manyavar SOS hotline. So here real couples send in their meltdown moments and our panel tries to save the day. Think of it as an ambulance for your wedding emergency. Alright, so here's how this works. I'm going to read out their questions and you need to save these people from complete meltdowns. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, I have to read this out and for that I have to change my chashma. Because that actually has no number. This is my Budape ka chashma. Now I can see this but I can't see y'all. So anyway, you're all a beautiful blur. All right. Okay. Let's start with Priya. She's 29 years old. She's from Nasik. My wedding is in a week. I just received my lehenga today and it's a disaster. I had picked a dusty pink one, but इन्होंने orange वाला भेजा है. It's completely off theme. OG outfit sourcing will take another 15 days. My mom is crying. I'm crying. We're all crying. Do I accept this disaster? What should I do? Anisha.
Don't accept this disaster, please.
Yeah.
आपकी शादी है, जाओ, भागो, लाओ कुछ नया.
डस्टी पिंक बट ये कौन डिजाइनर है जिन्होंने डस्टी पिंक को ऑरेंज बना दिया है?
बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स करते हैं ऐसा.
नहीं, दैट इज व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना स्वॉच मांगना चाहिए, बिकॉज आपका ऑरेंज और उनका ऑरेंज अलग हो सकता है, तो वो स्वॉच
पर
मांगना
ऑरेंज
बहुत
पिंक
जरूरी
तो
है.
नहीं बन सकता ना.
नहीं, करेक्ट, वो तो गलती है ही, बट मैं बोल रही हूँ कि वो स्वॉच मांगना थोड़ा जरूरी है.
तो एनीवे आप मान्यवर जाओ या ऑनलाइन चले जाओ या कुछ ना कुछ आपको मिल ही जाएगा. आप क्यों एक्सेप्ट करो?
नहीं,
आपको
बिल्कुल,
खूबसूरत
accept
लगना
तो
है.
बिल्कुल भी
और
नहीं करते.
उन्होंने बाकायदा एक थीम बनाया होगा. You know,
Yeah.
which वहाँ
Yeah.
dusty pink perhaps was going with the floral arrangements, the stage arrangements, जो भी है, right?
Right.
Yeah.
You all have any advice for Priya? जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, जा
Yeah,
खरीद
like
ले
just
अपना
go to
लहंगा.
just go to Manyavar and shop off the rack.
All right. Priya, I hope you heard that. If you have, then please make sure that you do not make it a disaster and you go and follow your heart and
And
dream.
call this designer out.
Yes, call this.
This is
Instagram
not
pe or
okay.
tell Komal,
Yes,
she will put it
I
up.
will repost.
Yes. Hey Karan, I'm Arjun, male 33 from Ahmedabad. कल मेरी शादी है और आज फेरों वाले शेरवानी पर हल्दी के आउटफिट का रंग लग गया है. ड्राई क्लीन को समय लगेगा और शेरवानी जो है इतना हैवी है कि आई कांट इवन वॉश इट. एनी क्विक फिक्स?
I think there's a pen which comes with it. It
उससे
takes
हल्दी
off
का
the-
दाग तो
उससे
नहीं
उतना
निकलेगा,
नहीं जाएगा.
बट मेरा जवाब आप जानते हैं, जाइए मान्यवर स्टोर, बिकॉज और कुछ नहीं है. या तो बैकअप लीजिए इफ यू हैव वन, एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव वन, प्लीज दिस इज
अनिशा, हमें ये नहीं पता था कि मान्यवर आपका पारिवारिक
it
पारिवारिक
is a
ब्रांड
one
है.
it is a
No,
one
no,
stop
But it's a
shop.
great
It
one.
is a one
नहीं, मैं खुद गया हूँ स्टोर और I was so amazed with the variety, the price range. It was just beyond amazing. तो चलिए हमने solutions ढूंढ लिए हैं for both Priya and for Arjun, and it's easy solutions. Go to Manyavar. That is where the solution is. All right. Okay. So now we are done with our SOS helpline. Now we move on to something fun.
Okay, wow.
सात फेरे, सात सवाल.
Got it.
That's our concept. सात सवाल हैं. अब what's the twist in the tail? The twist in the tail ये है कि अगर आपने bold and witty answer नहीं दिए and I'm going to be the judge of that, आपको ये चिली वाले लड्डू खाने पड़ेंगे.
Got it.
क्योंकि ये लड्डू
Cool.
तो है लेकिन चिलीज है.
Okay, cool.
हाँ, तो चिली है तो आपको जरूर तीखा लग जाएगा. And we want that because आपके जवाब में अगर तीखापन ना हो तो फिर ये तीखा खाना पड़ेगा. समझ गए आप?
Done, done.
सात सवाल है. ऑलराइट. काजोल, मैं आपसे शुरू करता हूं. Name the celebrity bride who gave you the hardest time. And I'm not asking for professionalism here.
I can't name it. All my brides were sweet. No one has given me.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Celebrity brides can't be sweet after a point.
No. I
It's
think
not possible.
they all were sweet to me.
Sorry, laddu khao. Laddu khao. ये
I would
diploma.
rather prefer a laddu than over a.
Then over losing that client
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah. Like,
It's, it's okay.
Yeah, it's
Go to Manyavar. Quick fix. शगुन का लड्डू पूरा मत खिला दो बेटा, आधा दे. एक बाइट ले. Is it nice?
it is.
Anisha.
Yeah.
Very simple, nothing controversial. Shahid or Ishan, who's got better taste?
Shahid, I think.
Oh,
He's
okay.
a OG, na? He started it.
Yeah, he started. But Ishan is quite a fashionista
Now,
these
yes,
days.
yes.
And
But
he
I
has-
think Shahid started.
Shahid started the trend. Okay, you don't get the. I was really hoping you would eat this laddu. But chalo. Okay, Komal, are you ready? Which influencer wedding made you genuinely question their aesthetic?
Yeah. Oh God.
Eat the
Yeah, I
laddu.
gotta.
Question their aesthetics in a way कि मुझे पता ही ना था कि आप इससे भी ज्यादा और अच्छा कर सकते हो.
नहीं, इससे ज्यादा खराब लग सकता है.
I can't say that. I'll eat the laddu.
Eat the laddu.
वैसे भी उसे खाना ही था.
तो ब्रेक के बाद बता देना.
हाँ ठीक है बता.
हाँ. Kajol, one makeup artist you think is overhyped?
Oh my God. Can I?
Just go for it, babe.
Otherwise, you're getting the laddu again.
Oh God, I would still have a laddu, but I feel, yeah, I would rather eat the laddu.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Oh God, nobody's giving me answers here. Only Anisha, you have given.
But कल सबको काम पे जाना है.
I don't want them
कैसे
to bash
अभी
me
मतलब
on
कल
Instagram.
सबको
सबको
हाँ,
काम पे
कल
जाना है
सबको काम पे जाना है. All right, Komal, a styling mistake you made that you still regret. ये ठीक है.
So many, कितने सारे.
एक बता दो.
I wore this for my last birthday. I wore this beautiful dress. But वो pictures में मुझे पता चला ये थोड़ा DIY लग रहा है. Even though it was couture, but the way I got it custom, it ended up looking like a DIY. So yeah, that's all.
तो
So
पैसे खर्च किए और लगा के खुद बनाया.
हाँ, literally,
Oh,
yeah.
अच्छा,
So
okay. Among us sitting here, who is styled the best? Anisha, this one's for you.
Komal, I think. Komal.
Hmm.
I like the
Nice,
blouse. I
Anisha.
like the earrings. I like
Thank
all of
you.
it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I like.
Stylistic.
I like.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Stylist
like-
approved.
100%.
I like. I like all
Perfect.
three.
Karan and Anisha approved.
We are very approved. All right. Okay, that has been amazing. Okay, now that we're on options and choices, I want to ask all three of you who your fashion icons are.
I think Shweta Bachchan has a really, really
Yeah.
cool style game.
I'm going to tell her this tonight. She'll be so happy.
I really think she is very, very
you know, she
cool.
we grew up together. We're childhood
Oh.
buddies. Yeah.
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 And I style Agastya now, so.
Yeah.
She's lovely.
She's lovely.
She's lovely. Even like the way she's
What
at
an
home and
unusual
stuff.
answer to give. I'm glad
But I
you gave
think
it. to
she's really cool.
Yeah.
She
Komal?
owns herself well.
I
we-
think I love Sonam.
Sonam, yeah.
Quintessential.
She also
Sonam
began.
Kapoor.
Let me tell you, this stylist, photographs, red carpet glamour. She is the one who started it all.
And she's still killing it. Apart from that, I'm not saying it because you're sitting in front of me, Karan, but you
Oh,
and Ranveer Singh. I'm saying this because Siddharth really looks up to you. And so he's like spoken a lot about your style. So ever since then, I've had special
Mine
observations
is
about
also
your
actually
style.
just been a
No, you're
it's
so
just-
campy.
Yeah, it is.
And you're
I
so-
was much more
yeah.
before. Now I'm in my quiet luxury era.
But by choice.
I'm in my stealth
Yeah.
wealth era.
But you're
Like-
still
Bags
little
at the
campy.
airports
And I
are
like
no,
that.
that little element
Yeah,
has to come.
yeah.
Like the other day, मैंने देखा कि it went viral where Timothy Chalamet had carried a mini Kelly, and I'm like, I did it 6 months ago.
Yeah.
I had a mini Kelly on my grey suit. I'm
Correct.
like, no one is putting this photograph together and saying that I did it first. I'm very upset. The whole internet was like, how cool of Timothy Chalamet. I'm like, I did it first. I
Yeah.
was like, what nonsense is this? No.
Huh.
What who do you find iconic? And you can tell me about, you know, who I find iconic in the zone of makeup is Rekha ji. Like I
Oh.
think even now, if you speak to Mickey Contractor, he tells me the way she does her lips. I've always asked her, and she'll never tell me. The way she does her lips, there's some hack that she does for doing her lips. She to me is high camp glamour, like beauty camp glamour. You know, but who would you be for in terms of makeup? Like
Actually,
who
I
really
have-
does their face?
I have two names. Both are my favorite. One is Priyanka Chopra
Yeah.
and second is Deepika Padukone.
Oh.
Like I love the way they talk about their skin and, you know, like the dusky beauty, and they come out with smoky eye trend that, you know, even a dusky beauty can wear smoky eye. That's the
Yeah, well done, girls. Yeah. Well, bravo to them. All right, this has been. I want to tell you, for me, style-wise, because I've also had the pleasure, privilege of growing up in front of him. Mr. Bachchan, to me, has been like iconic in so many ways. Like his wardrobe, and I know he's so cool. Like he has the coolest clothes. He doesn't come out a lot now, but I know his wardrobe is super cool. He's way ahead of the curve always. He knows exactly. Like I believe he's archived all his, like he has those glasses in the 70s. He still has them from Diwar and Trishul, you know, with the big
Correct.
glasses that all made a
Wow.
comeback
Correct,
later.
Wow.
For me, I think, and in terms of casual clothing for men, I love the way clothes, t-shirt fits Shah Rukh. Like I just love, like he's going to be 60 in a few days. And I'm like, man, like he's the fittest 60-year-old I know. Like even just the way he carries a black t-shirt and blue jeans. And I always say कि Shah Rukh को एक OCD hai about the fit of a jean. Like he will judge you if you wear badly fitted jeans. Like he'll think you're a bad person. Like he's that crazy. कि jeans को देखकर he can. So every time I'm going to Mannat, like I've said, I'm not wearing jeans because I know he'll give me that eye. Like he'll say, ये कहाँ से मिले ये jeans? And I know I'm like, oh God. Like, and the irony is कि उनका jeans का जो सफर मेरे साथ as an AD start हुआ था. क्योंकि मैं असिस्टेंट था दिलवाले पे और मैं शाहरुख से पहली बार आई वॉकड इन एंड आई वाज इन चार्ज ऑफ डूइंग हिज क्लोथ्स एंड मैंने उनको कहा कि मैं जानता हूँ आप रैंगलर पहनते हो लेकिन आप प्लीज लीवाइस पहनो कुछ फिट बेटर है आपका पूरा बॉडी टाइप ना बेटर लगेगा So he looked at me thinking, कौन पागल आ गया है कहाँ से आया है why is he giving me these Levi's? No, that time Levi's we had to buy from a smuggler. वो था ही नहीं ना 94 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं 1994 I don't think anyone was born. So 94 में I was like मैं लाया हूँ ऐसा आपका पूरा बॉडी टाइप ना अच्छा होगा फिट होगा मैं अपना बहुत टेक्निकल डिटेल्स बता रहा था इसे एक मिनट आप आदि को बुलाओगे अंदर से कौन आदि जैसे ये क्या कौन है ये क्यों बोल रहा है मुझे फिट का साइज और डेनिम का ये तो इसे नहीं ये साउथ बॉम्बे से आया है इसको इन लोगों को ऐसे लेके वी आर अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ इन लोगों को पता होता है सो आई वाज लाइक ओके कूल एंड सो आई ब्रॉट Levi's into his life at that time and it was kind of like cool that
How
that
cool.
now he's developed such a strong opinion on denim. But I'm like, I used to do his clothes. The first many movies I've
I
designed.
remember दिलवाले में जो उन्होंने जैकेट पहना था.
जी.
I've seen this in one of your interviews कि आप और आदि
और उदय
साथ में गए थे.
और हमने सारे पैसे
Yes,
डाले हैं उस
I
जैकेट
watched,
में क्योंकि
this was
हार्ली डेविडसन का
Yes,
जैकेट था
yes,
और
yes.
350 पाउंड का जैकेट 1994 में 300 पाउंड का, नॉट 350, 300
हाँ.
पाउंड मैं बोल रहा हूँ 1994 में. आपको आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हो
Wow.
कि आज के दौर में वो क्या होगा.
तो डांट पड़ी होगी यश चोपड़ा से, आई एम श्योर.
डांट किसी को डांट नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि हमने कहा कि 50 पाउंड का, हम सबने आपको कंट्रीब्यूट किया. हमने सबने कंट्रीब्यूट किया उस जैकेट को, जो भी हमारे पैसे थे हमने, क्योंकि हम कैसे समझाएं कि वो जाके पूरे फिल्म में वो पहनने वाले हैं और वो जाके लुक एट द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट
Iconic now. Yeah.
एंड वो जो रेड शर्ट उन्होंने पहना है अंदर, वो फैशन स्ट्रीट का शर्ट है. तो मैं रोज रात को, मैं और उदय, वो चेक शर्ट जो था, जो उस टाइम देयर वाज नो सच थिंग एज फाइंडिंग इट एनीवे, मैं वो जैकेट, शर्ट, टी शर्ट, जीन्स, बैकपैक और वो उदय और मैं दोनों साथ सोते थे विद दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज देयर वाज नो डुप्लीकेट. तो वी यूज्ड टू स्लीप विद दीज थिंग्स. ये पूरे ट्रिप में उसे वही पहनना था. एंड आदि सेड इफ यू लूज वन थिंग, सिंग गेट रेडी टू गो बैक होम. सो वी वर सो स्केर्ड.
Wow.
Anyway, nice segue into the past. It took me down memory lane. Thank you, girls. Now, before I let you go, we have something really interesting. We call it the Manyavar Magic Mantra. Near you, you will find some Shagun ke envelopes. Please write one special mantra that you'd like everyone who watches this episode to remember you by. And this goes here into our beautiful magical bowl. So please आप लिख लो, फिर पढ़ लो, and then I would request one of you to put all 3 envelopes into our beautiful Manyavar bowl. All right, Anisha, let's start with you. क्या लिखा आपने?
Be yourself, have fun. It's not that deep.
It's not that deep. Lovely, easy. You kept it simple.
On the same lines, actually, remember to also enjoy your own wedding while you're planning it.
That's true. You should never forget, and don't fall out of love
Yes.
if you can. Kajol.
Live in the moment. You are the showstopper of your wedding and his life. So keep that beautiful smile and the confidence. Smile a lot.
That's it. Love.
So cute.
That's very sweet. Okay, if I can request one of you to put all 3. आप जाओगे कोमल? Yay! Thank you. Thank you for your magical Manyavar mantra. All right. So, thank you so much, Kajol. Thank you so much, Komal. Thank you so much, Anisha. May the power of whatever you're doing and how beautifully you're doing continue to make people look beautiful, continue to make yourself look beautiful, and most important, like you wrote in your note, keep that smile alive and that inner light always glowing.
Thank you. Thank you for
so
having me.
much.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Manyavar channel. And in the next episode, we dive into photography. To, taiyar hokar aana.